Hello everyone, my name is Darius and today I will be speaking to all of you about the future of Indian trucking. The Eicher Pro series is a range of next generation trucks and buses from 5 to 49 tons designed to take the industry to a new professional level. The series is a culmination of the Volvo Group's world-class technology and global expertise and Eicher's frugal engineering and deep knowledge of the developing market. In keeping with the GoPro philosophy, the Eicher Pro series promises to deliver higher profitability and more prosperity to its customers. This it fulfills through best-in-class fuel efficiency, superior uptime, and overall better vehicle performance. Designed and developed to deliver maximum lifetime profitability. Presenting to you the Eicher Pro 6025T. A 25-ton GVW tipper truck used in construction and mining. A truck whose features will maximize the profitability of your business. This new series of heavy-duty vehicles is a quantum leap in terms of every aspect, from exterior design and engine technology to cabin features. The Eicher Pro 6000 series consists of trucks and tippers from 16 to 40-ton GVW. And before you is the Eicher Pro 6025T, a 25-ton GVW tipper. Now let's talk about the heart of the vehicle, the engine. The vehicle is fitted with a powerful VED X8 6-cylinder 4-valve 8-litre CRS engine, a highly efficient and advanced engine developed in association with the Volvo Group. The same engine block is exported for fitment in Volvo Group company trucks abroad. It develops 220 horsepower and a highest in its class engine torque of 850 Newton meters over a wider range of RPM. That's 1100 to 1700 RPM. High torque at low RPM for better fuel efficiency and a wide flat torque curve to minimize gear shifts. The vehicle comes with EMS 3.0, which is the Volvo Group's engine management system used worldwide in the Volvo Group products. It has a high processing capability and manages optimum balance between load demand, fuel efficiency, and emissions control. The engine is equipped with the renowned Japanese Denso FIE system, electronically controlled fuel injection system ensuring optimum fuel quantity at exactly the right point of time for each combustion cycle. Energy-saving auxiliary components like EM fan and ES compressor, which runs only when required, reducing load on engine. The EM fan cuts off at the designed coolant temperature. The cutoff mechanism reduces the load on the engine, saving power, hence resulting in increased fuel efficiency. EPS, Engine Protection System. This provides protection against overheating at low oil pressure and high coolant temperature, increasing the durability of the engine. High torque to weight ratio gives good negotiability on rough and gradient roads. From the engine, now let's move on to the transmission. The world-renowned ZF1110TD 9-speed gearbox with crawler gear with 1110 Newton meters torque capacity complements the engine. Bigger synchronizer ring and single rod gear shift linkage mechanism helps in smooth transition of gears. The 430 mm clutch diameter, which is the biggest in its class, provides high surface contact area and helps in transmission of power with less losses. Clutch booster reduces the pedal effort and hence better driving comfort with less effort and fatigue. The clutch wear indicator helps in better maintenance planning. Now let us zoom on ahead to the propeller shaft. The propeller shaft is cross-serrated and lubricated for life. This shaft helps in transmission of power with lesser losses and no maintenance. This is one of the proofs of low maintenance of the tipper. Moving on from the propeller shaft onto the axle, the Eicher Pro 6025T uses the globally renowned Meritor axle. It has a 432 mm diameter crown for higher torque transferring capacity. The final drive ratio of 5.29 ensures optimized gradability while maintaining the fuel efficiency advantage. Traveling further, we come to the chassis. Modular Domix chassis for high tensile strength with 7 cross members. The chassis dimension is 285 × 76 × 7 mm with a 5 mm stiffener. The wider joggled frame provides better vehicle stability at higher speeds. The battery carrier is integrated with the air tank mounting for easy serviceability. We have 2 batteries which are sufficient to power electrical and electronic systems on the vehicle. These are protected by a dust-proof cover with a provision for locking. The vehicle comes with a 220 litres rectangular polymer fuel tank, optimal for long operational hours. Now for the suspension. The Eicher Pro 6025T comes with the VECV bogie-type rear suspension with 11 leaf springs, 27 mm thickness each. There are quite a few unique innovations in the bogie suspension. So the A-frame and torque rod are casted for added strength. There is a slider mechanism at the bottom leaf to increase the bolster life. There is also a frame mounting with 2 horizontal bolts. We have also used a flat U-bolt to avoid leaves rubbing with bolts on the chassis. The trunnion housing leaf spring pad height is increased to cover 2 leaves to increase the stability of the spring stack. There is a bolt arrangement instead of circlip for easy maintenance. The front suspension is a semi-elliptical laminated leaf springs with hydraulic-type double-acting telescopic shock absorbers. There are 9 leaves and the front suspension also comes with an anti-roll bar for better roll stability. There are 2 body options, 16 cubic meter box body and 14 cubic meter rock body. The 16 cubic meter box body comes with a floor thickness of 6 mm and a side panel headboard and tail door of 4 mm. While the 14 cubic meter rock body comes with a sandwich flooring of 5 mm steel plus 50 mm wood plus 8 mm steel, also with rock breakers, while the side panel and canopy sheet is 5 mm. The standard tipping kit used in the Eicher Pro 6025T is the Hiver FE 129. The tipping angle for the 16 cubic meter box is 50 degrees and for the 14 cubic meter rock, 53 degrees. Now for the cabin. The Eicher Pro 6000 series comes with a family look. A Pegasus styling cabin symbolizing power, agility and smoothness, providing a best-in-class cabin for driver comfort and safety. The front lid is openable for ease of maintenance. There are also strong reinforcements with the metallic bumper and radiator guard for safety and protection of the vehicle and the driver. An ergonomically and aerodynamically designed world-class cabin ensures better fuel efficiency by reducing air drag. CED painted cabin for improved corrosion resistance and enhanced gloss. Dual panel cabin for high strength and safety. It has a hydraulic cab tilt mechanism. A single person can open the cab. It has a 4-point suspension for better driver comfort and lesser driver fatigue. It has a 6-way adjustable driver seat with premium fabric. It also has a tilt and a telescopic steering for a comfortable driving position. The premium variant comes with an air conditioning with heating and ventilating options, whereas the blowers with speed options are a standard feature. The premium variant also has power windows, music system and sleeper berth for maximum driver comfort. That's not all. There are many additional features. An armrest on all doors, a cup holder with a tray, a water bottle holder, a head tray for documents, lockable glove box to keep important documents, coat hook, pockets on door, open bin storage and a card coin holder. This is an ergonomically positioned instrument panel, enhancing the ease of accessibility for the driver. Finally, we come to the controls of the Eicher Pro 6025T. Equipped with IDIS, Intelligent Driver Information System, giving information on operational data, fuel consumption and onboard diagnostics, providing real-time interaction with 4 physical gauges and 29 telltales, 4 digital gauges on LCD. Cruise control for comfort during longer drives. The revolutionary fuel coaching system gives real-time guidance to the driver to ensure economical driving practice, or as we call it, the sweet spot, which is a sign of maximum fuel efficiency. To summarize, the Eicher Pro 6025T is not just packed with high technology and modern styling, but it also provides a distinct business advantage. A class-leading fuel efficiency, higher productivity, superior uptime, enhanced driver efficiency, intelligent systems, and easy maintenance. All add up to deliver maximum lifetime profitability. The Eicher Pro 6025T. What better way to go pro?